Amazon FBA all the way.
Oh! Thanks, man.
Have a nice day.
See ya. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again today with another video. In this one, I want to share with you guys kind of some of my product updates as well as what I plan to do with the newest product I just got in as far as sales and marketing that I'm going to be implementing right away. I want to give you guys some tips and tricks with that. But as you saw in that opening clip, I got my package of my product in. I had one sample shipped to my house. I had my supplier ship this to me for free after I made the deal with them. I just wanted the product here myself so I can have a photographer take photos of this. Usually I would just reach out to someone on Fiverr, have them buy my product off my own Amazon listing so I can start getting some sales generated there. I'll have the photographer leave a review on my product, and then I'll have him take photos of it, and I'll just pay my photographer the difference in what he paid for my product when I pay for those product photos. So that's one little tip for you guys right away. I'm going to get into some marketing on what I'm going to do for this right away, but I just wanted to show you first, guys, how fast DHL air shipping is. It's insane. We can see on Sunday the 29th down there, it shipped out of Hong Kong, and then right up here on Tuesday, May 1st, it has already arrived in the Amazon warehouses. So literally just a couple of days, and I had inventory shipped from China into Amazon, and that's what I want to do. I want to get it in there as fast as I can. I had 12 units get shipped in as fast as I possibly could, and I have 88 more units on the way that are going to show up 15 days later in a slower air shipment. But that's just what I wanted to do. I recommend you guys maybe looking into, if you're doing a big shipment, maybe if you're even doing a sea shipment, you should go ahead and order a small batch of units to get in your Amazon inventory so you can start getting initial sales and ranking generated, so that by the time your other big batch of units come into Amazon, you already have some sales rank and some history of your product there. So as you can see, this is kind of the size of my product. It weighs about 1.5 pounds. Not too light, not too heavy, but the best part about it is it sells for about $120 on Amazon. And after paying, the product cost on Alibaba was about $33, and in total with shipping all my units, it came out to $44 per unit that I'm actually paying for each unit to ship in. Amazon fees look to be about $28 if I sell it for $118.99, so I'm still looking to make about $45 in profit every time I sell one unit. Now let me share with you guys kind of some of my marketing and strategy that I want to get going so I can launch this product. As you guys know, I like to get a few initial reviews from kind of some close friends. I'll have them buy this product under the keywords that I want to start ranking for, so that when they're going to buy my product, I'll have them go to whatever page this product is on. It might start out on page 8 or something. I'll go ahead and have them buy my product from page 8, and it's going to shoot up to page 1 if they buy it under that keyword, because no one else is really buying products between pages like 2 to 8. So I'm going to get a nice sales jump from that. I'll do that with a few people, get some reviews going. And honestly, this product, I'm really lucky to have found one that most of the top sellers are literally under 50 reviews. So I'm not too far away from, if I get 10, 15 reviews, I'll be up there. And it's basically going to come down to making the best possible listing I can. That's what I'm going to do right after making this video, optimizing my title. And a tip for you guys, don't put your brand name right as the first word in your title, because the first word in your title weighs the heaviest in Amazon's algorithm. You want to put your broadest keyword right up there as close as you possibly can as the first word in your title, so that anytime a customer is typing in that broad keyword, your first word in your title is what's going to pop up and tell Amazon, we need to show this to this customer. So that goes for your bullet points as well. Use as many keywords, long tail keywords as you possibly can. And so instead of saying this baseball bat, name the brand name, the length of it, this 32-inch Easton Stealth baseball bat. That's long tail, guys. You want to rank for long tail keywords as well as broad keywords. But as a keyword reference, broad keywords are going to get the customers a whole lot of different products that might not be directed to yours. And having more niche specific keywords and long tail keywords are going to be what actually converts the customer a whole lot more. So when you can get your product ranking from broad and specific keywords, you're in a great ballpark and you're going to start getting some great sales. I just had a video with my buddy Clint last night, and we did a live stream. You can watch that on my channel. This dude is absolutely slaying Amazon right now. but he's been making $10,000 plus every single week. So that's super awesome to see what he's doing, and him and I have been collaborating a bit and sharing some different strategies. So some of the sales strategies I want to be doing for this product, besides ranking it up, getting those first initial reviews, is also going to be to actually, I have my girlfriend make a YouTube account, and it's kind of around fashion, beauty, health, and stuff like that. And this product falls in that category. So I'm going to make an awesome video with her as basically like a product review on her YouTube channel. And we're going to go ahead and make an awesome video. I'm going to use what I know from ranking videos inside of YouTube to rank that video really high for specific keywords, so customers find my product on YouTube. Because as you would probably guess, when customers are looking to buy products, they don't just read Amazon reviews. The first place oftentimes people go is they go to YouTube and type in that product and look at videos of the product. So you definitely want to have some videos of your product on YouTube if at all possible. And that's one great thing I'm going to be doing. And other than that, it's going to be just running some simple automatic campaigns for PPC to see what my product is doing and what kind of keywords I'm getting sales under. And I'm just going to probably actually brand out this product by going ahead and making an Instagram page for it as well, and just ranking up those reviews. And that's going to be my initial sales strategy, to go ahead and get my product up as far high in the pages as I can on Amazon, so customers are finding it on page 1 for hopefully 5 different main keywords. And then I'm going to go ahead and branch out to other social media networks like YouTube for my product review, Instagram pages, and just all over the place. Might even start run some Facebook ads on this. So Amazon is literally an endless possibility, and once you start getting into this kind of entrepreneurship game, you guys are going to see how fun and exciting it is, and you'll see how many opportunities there are out there. And leading into opportunities, guys, I just created an Amazon Seller Pro course. I finally completed it. It's actually 6 hours long, so that's pretty much how long I spent in school for one day of school back in elementary school and stuff like that. So 6 hours, 65 videos of Amazon straight content, and I'm bringing it to you guys. I have a discount on it right now. You can check it in the link below. I highly recommend you guys go ahead and get this, because as I have the smaller YouTube channel that I do, I'm really trying to hone in on my students and get them the ultimate success, so that they can talk about me as a testimony to say, wow, Luke really helped me out. I'm not trying to just take people's money here. I'm trying to go big with this, help all my students be really successful. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. So I highly encourage you guys, go check that out. The way the world's turning, the internet is literally the place everyone is going, guys. And when you start to learn one e-commerce business like selling on Amazon, who knows where you're going to go after that? You might branch out to YouTube or Shopify or anything else. Nordstrom's, Macy's, all these main big stores are closing down. No one's going to malls anymore. In the next 5 to 10 years, everyone's going online. So I have this course. It's a really low price compared to the first Amazon course I took. Tanner J. Fox's course was really, really basic, to be honest. He has 33 videos in it, and he doesn't go really in depth, but one of the worst parts is that I'm not trying to rag on him, because he got me into Amazon in the first place and showed me the opportunity is possible. But he literally just told you, if you asked him a question about your product, he'd be like, it's pretty good, it's too competitive, or keep looking. So he was pretty infamous for giving those responses to his students. And having the small YouTube channel, like I said, I'm not overwhelmed with people, and I'm going to take the utmost care for all of my students to get them to succeed in the best possible way. So if you guys are interested, I've finally released this course. I want you guys to go down and click on that link and look through all the curriculum, and I'll have the link already pre-made with the promo code that's going to give you guys a nice 25% discount. So it's not even that much. I encourage you guys to invest in yourselves, invest in your brain. This is your life, guys. A lot of people will just be happy to go spend $10,000 or $1,000 on a brand new cell phone and new TV setup and everything. But when it comes to investing in your brain, that's what really matters, guys. When you start getting skills and things like that that are actually valuable, you can turn around and make money from those yourselves in the future, but it's ultimately going to give you the ultimate fulfillment, knowing that you're learning something. It's a project. It's it's something that I woke up one day and realized I don't want to go be a news journalist. I want to go start my own business. And anytime I start talking about this, I literally go insane. I get so hyped up talking about Amazon and the opportunity it brings to people like me and so many others. So as well with the course, I'm also going to have a private Facebook group, so I'm going to be answering everyone's questions in there. And for the first 25 to maybe even, if I'll extend it up to 50 people that get the course, I'm going to do a 1-hour consultation call. So when they finish the course, I'll walk through with them all the questions that they have and get them on their way selling. And I'll continue to help them as they continue on their journey. So if you guys are interested, please go and check out the link below. That was a little spiel about my course, but this is the size of my Amazon product. If you think about it, if I sell 3 a day, I'm already making around $130+ a day if I sell just 3 of these. And the sales are already for everyone, over 100 and 200 sales for everyone on the first page. So I'm so stoked to start launching this product, and I'm going to use the sales strategies I talked about. And right now I'm going to go ahead and work on my Amazon listing. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want to, please go ahead, show me some support and give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, and if you have any other ideas of Amazon videos you want me to make, drop them in the comment section below. I've been coming up some recent subscribers lately, and I want you guys to hop on this course literally before I get too big, you know, before I start getting overwhelmed. So those of you guys that take action first and are the first movers to this are going to see the best possible results and the most mentorship possible from me. So that's what I'm bringing to you guys in this video. Enjoy this beautiful Tuesday. I'm out here in Washington, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.